Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. Today we're reviewing the three main types of car jacks. We'll talk about jacks that regular people use when they working on their cars in the garage. I'll go through everything as fast as possible so we don't waste your time, and I'll show you what to use and what to avoid. The main types are scissor jack, bottle jack, and trolley jack. The scissor jack is the one that usually comes with your car. It's light, easy to carry in the trunk, and it doesn't slowly go down over time, but is physically hard to use. If you only change tires or do minor suspension work, this is all you really need. Just remember, whenever you remove a wheel, always put it under the car next to the jack for extra safety. That's important, because in the long run there's always some risk, like unstable ground, small movements of the car, or the narrow jack base slipping. If you also have jack stand, then you've got everything you need for safe, basic repairs. Next up, the bottle jack. Honestly, don't buy it. Often, it won't even lift the wheel completely off the ground. I'd personally keep it for other uses. Bottle jacks work better on larger cars and SUVs because the height proportions fit the jack's lifting range better. Now, the trolley jack. This one is for those who already have jack stands or plan to buy them and want a more comfortable experience working on cars. It's much easier physically to lift the car and it keeps everything more stable. The downsides are that it's 2 to 3 times more expensive and a bit too large to carry in the trunk comfortably, so it's better to keep in the garage. Here's a quick table comparing all three types side by side. And that's about it. Just remember to always work safely. Whenever possible, use the handbrake. If you have a manual transmission, leave it in gear. Always use wheel chocks and make sure the ground is stable before lifting. You'll really help me out by subscribing to the channel. Leave any comments down below, I read them all. More videos are coming soon about lifting points and car manuals. Have a great time working on your own projects.